Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Alright, let me tell you a story. Imagine this: you've just trained a powerful AI model. It writes essays, solves maths, debates like a lawyer. Now comes the scary question: who judges the judge? This is exactly where the paper, A Survey on Agent Hazards by Runyang Yu and Hongru Kei, begins its journey. Picture the early days. We had LLM as a judge, one model, one prompt, one score. It reads an answer, thinks for a second, and says 7 out of 10. Clean, fast, but dangerously shallow because underneath it has biases. It prefers longer answers. It trusts text that sounds right even when it's wrong. And worst of all, it never checks reality. Now the story shifts. AI tasks stop being simple. They become multi step, tool heavy, high stakes, medical advice, legal reasoning, financial research. And suddenly, a single silent judge isn't enough. So the field evolves. Enter agent as a judge. Think of it like this: instead of one sleepy examiner, you now have a team of investigators. One plans the evaluation, another checks facts using tools, another debates edge cases, another remembers past mistakes. They talk, they disagree, they verify. This is the core idea of agent as a judge. Evaluation becomes a process, not a guess. The paper breaks this evolution into stages. First, procedural agents, fixed workflows, predefined steps, better than one shot, but still rigid. Then, reactive agents. They adapt mid evaluation, call tools when needed, change paths based on evidence. And finally, the frontier, self evolving agents. These judges don't just follow rubrics, they create them. They learn from past evaluations. They refine how they judge while judging. That's wild. Under the hood, 5 ideas power this shift. Multi agent collaboration, so biases cancel out. Planning, so complex tasks are broken into manageable pieces. Tool integration, so judgments are grounded in execution, not vibes. Memory, so intermediate steps and user preferences persist. And optimization, both during training and at inference time. Together, they turn evaluation into something closer to human reasoning. But let's slow down. This power comes with pitfalls. First pitfall: cost. Agent judges are expensive. More steps, more tools, more latency. You don't want a 5-minute evaluation loop inside a real time system. Second pitfall: safety. Giving judges tools means expanding the attack surface, prompt injection, tool misuse, feedback loops reinforcing bad judgments. And third, privacy. Memory is useful, but storing user preferences and histories can quietly become a liability. So here's a practical tip: don't start with full autonomy. Begin with tool augmented verification for critical steps. Add planning only where single pass evaluation clearly fails. And log intermediate decisions before adding long term memory. Agent as a judge is not a switch, it's a dial. And this brings us to the ending, or maybe the beginning. The paper argues we're moving toward true autonomy. Judges that adapt, judges that interact, judges that evolve alongside the models they evaluate, not just scoring outputs, but understanding behavior. So the next time an AI gets a 7 out of 10, ask yourself, who judged it? How did they decide? And did they actually check? Because in the future, the smartest AI in the room might not be the one generating answers, but the one judging them. And that's the quiet revolution of Agent Judge. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.